That for dunya you don't need to be motivated. It's all around you. You see dunya, you hear dunya, you speak dunya, stomach is there, and your bodily organs are there. They are always motivating you. They're always motivating you. So for akhirah, you need to motivate yourself. No one is going to motivate as such. You need to do that yourself, the things which we mentioned before, the journey of human soul, which you've seen in the Jummah. Details of those things, going into the depth and reminding yourself again and again, and so that as though you are here, but you are seeing Jannah, as though you are here, as though you are seeing hell, as though you are here, you are seeing the blessings of Akhirah. Only then you can survive, you can keep your head above this sea of dunya. If you won't, you are going to drown. Why? Because dunya will come to you, or which will motivate you automatically. You don't need. When you get up, if you're feeling hungry, even animals, even brainless people, they go towards food. Child is going to, because the hunger is there. But the talab, the love of Allah and His Messenger, you have to create yourself in you. There is potential, there is the seed in you. You have to grow. And this you have to do every day in a way. That's how you actually are. Otherwise, you will find yourself, in spite of knowing everything, you are not doing anything. Knowing everything, not doing anything. Because knowledge can only give you information, it can't motivate you. You have to remind continuously. Knowledge comes once, you know there is Jannah, that's knowledge. Alhamdulillah, this finished. But to keep that knowledge alive and think about it, read about it every day, little bit, that's going to keep the motivation. Not actually that I know this, I know this, I know this. And this is the nature of human being. You say, why do you remind, why I have to remind myself about Allah every day, about the fasting or about Akhirah, when I know it? Ask marketing companies and these sales people. Ask them why they are advertising for Coca-Cola when they know. Are they stupid people that they don't know people know about Coke? That they are spending millions? There is a reason. They know that human being, although they know there exists this drink or whatever or any other drink, but if they are reminded again and again, then they are going to buy, or then they are going to buy more, then they will be motivated. People know cars, that there is a car. But why the cars advertise? You don't say, you say, I'm not fool, why are you advertising car to me? I know, since I've been born there is cars. I know phones, but they are doing it because they know that human being is programmed that if he is bombarded with information again and again, he takes the step. He takes the step then. That's regarding dunya I am giving you example, but about akhirah also same thing. You need to be reminded or remind yourself, bombarded with the akhirah concept, the Jannah, the hell, the whatever is happening after death, the reality of dunya, the company of Salihin, the stories of awliya, the virtues of good deeds, you may say the punishments of bad deeds. Only then you are going to take the steps to keep alive, is your motivation.